Comparison is something I have felt so much in my life as well. And you're so spot on that it is such a common manifestation of the self-doubt, because really where this comparison, like the behavior of comparing, the comparing thoughts, would I be happier if I was with someone more artistic? Would I be happier if I was with this person? Would my life be better if I was here? Would my partner be happier if they were with someone else? Like how the comparison is manifesting, what's often beneath that is this like fear of finding out that you're somehow bad, wrong, unworthy. Like if I were with the wrong partner, what would that mean about me? That would mean that I am bad, that I made a mistake, that I'm wrong, that I'm unworthy, that I'm inauthentic, that I'm a liar, whatever, all of the things that your brain can come up with. And so what happens is the anxiety uses comparison as a way, almost a barometer, a way to check, like, am I okay? Am I okay? Is my relationship okay? Am I good enough? Is my relationship good enough? Am I safe? Am I okay? Basically, if I just constantly compare and make sure that my relationship looks like all of these relationships in movies and social media, that my friends, my family, or make sure that it doesn't look anything like the failed or bad relationships that I've seen, then I'll know that I'm okay. And so you're so spot on that it is such a manifestation of the self-doubt. Like I can't trust myself to feel that I'm okay. I can't trust my own choices, my own path in life. So I constantly have to look outside of myself to check and check and check and make sure that I'm okay.